about this kanji. This kanji have the reading of onyomi, which say sen, and the reading of kunyomi is say elabu. The kanji of sen is meaning elect, select, choose, prefer. Actually, when you stay in Japan, you will say when there is the season of election, they will use the word senHow. SenHow is mean election. So this kanji had a meaning of elect or selection, or when you choose something, it has the meaning like this. So the next, let's go to see some sample. senHow is mean player in a game. senHow is mean player in a game such as football, volleyball. You can say senHow in Japanese. senHow is mean the person who play some game such as volleyball, football, basketball, something like this. The next, senTaku is mean selection, choice, or option. Selection, joy, option. senHow is mean selection, screening. When you apply for a job, they will select or screening your document, right? So in that time you can say senHow documento or senHow through, something like this. The next, tosen is mean being elect. Kaisen is mean re-election. Elabu is mean choose or select. So the kanji of sen is mean choose or select, but when you compound to another letter under kanji, it also have the meaning the similar.